Hello, this is Kaustubh Deshpande welcoming you to my own video. In this, I am going to explain about XML document, DOM parser, SAX parser, and XML schema. This kingdoms.xml is an XML file. It stores the information related to all ancient kingdoms from India to 1947. This first line it indicates the file is an XML file. XML is an extensible markup language used to describe data. It consists of user-defined tags. Main purpose of XML is data storage and sharing, especially on heterogeneous platforms. This kingdoms.xml contains tags like kingdom list, kingdom, period, region, capital, languages, language, king list, king, etc. Kingdom list is the root node of this XML file. Kingdom list has children, that is tags indicated by the name kingdom. This kingdom contains the information related to specific kingdom. This all tags and the containing information belongs to children of this kingdom tag. Kingdom has its own attributes, ID and name. Again, language also has its own attribute, ID, and king has its own attribute, ID. This kingdom list contains information about 48 kingdoms. The last kingdom is Qutub Shahi here. The tree structure of this file, kingdoms.xml, is shown by this diagram. Here, kingdom is the child of kingdom list. Again, there is no upper bound on number of kingdoms exist at the same time. Again, period, language list, region, king list, and capital are the children of this kingdom. ID and name are the attributes of this kingdom. Again, there are language is the child of this language list, and there is no upper bound on maximum number of occurrences of this language node. And ID is again attribute of this language. Similarly, the king is the child of this king list, and it has attribute ID, and there is no upper bound on the maximum number of occurrences it can. This .java file is DOM parser that I have developed for parsing kingdoms.xml file. Here file fxml file is equal to new file. It takes the path name for kingdoms.xml file. Document builder factory, db factory is equal to document builder factory dot new instance is going to build a document builder object. Document builder dbuilder is equal to db factory dot new document builder it constructs a actual DOM parser by using the previously constructed document builder factory object. This dbuilder object document this object it is used to parse actual kingdoms.xml file, and it gets stored into document object doc. Here I am going to run this parser. It will ask name of specific kingdom. Suppose Cholas. Here it displays all the information related to this Chola kingdom. Here ID, name, period, region, capital, languages, and all kings in this dynasty. I have developed Sax parser for same purpose. Uh, this kingdom's Sax parser.java is the Sax parser that I have developed for parsing kingdoms.xml file. Sax is a simple API for XML. It is faster than DOM and consumes less memory. This is because DOM constructs a tree from XML document in memory, but Sax doesn't require that. This Sax parser takes same input, that is path name of this kingdoms.xml file. Here, so this parse function will contain the path name of actual XML file that we want to parse with second input, the handler, event handler that Sax uses for parsing the XML document. Sax parser is based on event handling mechanism. Sax parser contains overridden methods from default handler class by using which we parse entire XML file. This class kingdom handler extends defaults handler class and overrides its methods start element, end element, and characters, which are invoked at specified events. I'm going to run this parser. Again, I'm going to give input. Now it shows. Now it's showing the detailed information about this particular kingdom. This kingdom.xsd file is XML schema like DTD but contains advanced features. It validates this kingdoms.xml file for entering data by user. So this is what all about XML document and its parsing XML doc and parsing XML document. Thank you.